Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch gestures of your Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation. So to do this you have to select them from the application. Next you have to scroll down, go for the touch controls and then click to customize. And as you can see right here we can find left and the right earbud, and also we can tap once, twice, 3 times, and also we can hold. That's also the default gestures. That's tap once and tap twice while using the phone calls. So we can basically reject and call and answer calls. And we can try to customize, for example, the tap twice. So when you click right here, you are able to turn, for example, the next track. And for the left one, we can go for the previous track. And for the tap ones, I'm gonna turn on the play and the pause for the left, and for the right I'm gonna simply pick the now function, and I want to get the voice assistant, the transparent hearing, for the tap 3 times on the left and 3 times on the right to turn on or off the noise cancellation. And when you go back, right now we can test your new gestures. And that's all for this video, hope you like it.